At Danfoss, we collaborate with our customers, ensuring value creation for them. And that's what we have done with our new APP with axial piston pumps with ceramic. That has won the Medium Balaban Award for innovative solutions in desalination in Egypt last in this month. This new pump means there is no compromise between extreme robustness and market-leading efficiency for our customers. And now my colleague Kevin will introduce the new APP pump with ceramics to you guys. To you, Kevin.
Yeah, thank you, Amogh. Yeah, it was a good celebration and also nice to get this award for the new design we made of the axial piston pump. So what we have done recently is that we released this APP pump with ceramics for seawater RO and wastewater applications. The new pump is very similar to the old one in regards to how you set it up. It still has a fixed shaft, inlet outlet. It's based, of course, on the axial piston pump design. So it's based on a proven technology, basically because it's similar to the technology we are using in all the other pumps. It is available in the sizes from 21 to 38 cubic meters, and we have made 3 different versions of it. So we have one for seawater RO that is typically operating up to 83 bars. And then we have 2 versions for the industrial water and recycle and reuse applications. So here we have, first of all, they will be they are introduced with the FKM seals in them. And they will have a slightly different compression ratio. So it means they can operate. We have one for the lower pressure that can operate from 20 to 70 bar. And then we have a version that goes from 70 bar and up to 124 bars for the second stages of RO or more demanding pumps in regards to pressure. All the pumps are prepared for digitalization as well. We have introduced a new monitoring kit that we can use for these pumps as well. And I'll go into that in details at a later slide. So what is it we are offering? This new pump is offering this extreme robustness. It has a market-leading efficiency similar to our standard APP pumps. The benefit or the main objective for these pumps was to reduce the particle sensitiveness in regards to operating in wastewater and other fluids. And here the solution was to implement ceramics. The benefit of this is that we are able to increase our robustness and thereby reduce our service intervals that is needed. We are also able now to pump. We don't need a pre-filtration as we do with our standard APP pumps. So we are now requiring a 5 micron nominal filtration pre-treatment. And then, of course, this will then reduce your service cost because basically you don't have to service it as often as you would our standard pumps. It also provides a lot of benefits in regards to the parts that needs to be serviced during the lifetime. The parts that we have changed here is the major wear parts have been changed to ceramics. And we've been looking into the valve plate and port plate systems. So here we have implemented ceramics instead of the PEEK that we are currently using. We have also changed the wear surface on the swash plate to ceramics. And we have changed the pistons to a hardened piston that is more durable to smaller particles. We've seen that we sometimes, this thing about the seals that we've changed to FKM is also making more compatible with some of the chemicals that we sometimes come across in the wastewater treatment plants. And then this thing about splitting it up, this also allows us, that also helps on the service intervals, that they have been optimized for operating in different different operating points. So instead of having one pump that covers all the way from 20 and all the way up to 124 bar, then we have split it up, and that really reduces the amount of cavitation that you would normally see in pumps operating that wide span.